Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Who doesn't love the taste of oregano in food? It's a spice often used in pasta, sauces, and savory dishes, but few know that it can also be drunk in the form of tea. The first impression may not be the best. After all, it's a spice, and few people are used to drinking oregano tea, although it's a very appreciated spice. Many people have drunk oregano tea, and its properties have been studied for a long time. Here you'll learn how to prepare a powerful oregano tea with lemon to help you sleep well at night. Did you know that oregano has anti-inflammatory properties and boosts the immune system? Contrary to what you may think, one of the ways to consume it and keep its properties active is through tea. Lemon is already an old acquaintance in healthy home recipes. It's good for preventing cardiovascular diseases such as strokes and for relieving respiratory problems. The mixture of these two ingredients helps to relieve cough, asthma, and bronchitis. Take note of the ingredients. 1 tablespoon oregano, preferably fresh. 2 slices of lemon. 1 cup of water. Heat a pot of water to boiling, then turn off the heat. Add the oregano and lemon to the pot. Cover the pot to keep the steam from escaping into the air. You can use a plate to stifle it. Let it steep for at least 10 minutes. Drink the tea before going to bed for a restful sleep. Did you like to know how to make oregano lemon tea? If you already knew, tell me in the comments and don't forget to like the video. Don't keep this information to yourself. Help your friends and family by sharing this tip with them. I wish you good health.